Did you know your breakfast cereal contains actual metal that you can pull out with a magnet? I'm not kidding. Grab a box of Total cereal and let me blow your mind. Here's the experiment. Crush up the cereal, mix it with water, and hold a strong magnet to the mixture. Watch in horror as literal iron filings get pulled toward the magnet like tiny metal shavings. You've been eating this your whole life. Food companies add metallic iron because it's dirt cheap and lasts forever on the shelf. Your body can barely absorb it, but they don't care. The government forces them to fortify cereals with iron because 2 billion people worldwide are iron deficient. And that famous spinach has tons of iron fact. Total lie. It came from a decimal point mistake in 1870 that wasn't fixed for 60 years. One tiny dot created a myth that lasted generations. Here's the weirdest part. Your blood contains iron too, but it's wrapped in proteins, so it's not magnetic. Only your cereal iron acts like actual metal. Sweet dreams at breakfast tomorrow.